Now, we need to add numbers with a different number of decimal places. First, we have 3.8 plus 2.115. When we're writing out the numbers, it's really important that we line up the decimal points, because if the decimal points are lined up, then the other place values in our question, so our ones, tenths, hundredths and thousandths columns, will be lined up as well. Now we can write zeros in empty squares because 3.800 is the same as 3.8, so we haven't changed the question, but now we can copy down the decimal point into our answer and add using column addition. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer is 5.955. Now we have 17.765 plus 13.44. We write zeros in empty squares and copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 1 0, 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12, so 1 2, 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11, so 1 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so that gives us 31.205. Finally, we have 7.709 plus 0.7. So we've got the numbers written out with the decimal points lined up, so we write zeros in our empty squares and copy the decimal point down into our answer. 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 7 is 14, so 1 4, and 1 plus 7 plus 0 is 8, so our answer is 8.409. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.